Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip FE has been a hot topic lately, and the latest rumors suggest that its chipset choice is still undecided. Initially, reports claimed that the foldable phone would feature the Exynos 2500, but new information indicates that Samsung has not yet finalized this decision. This uncertainty might be good news for those who have criticized Exynos chips in the past. The Exynos division has faced challenges over the years. After a somewhat better performance with the Exynos 2400, many believe that Samsung would use the new Exynos 2500 in the Galaxy S25 series. However, Samsung surprised everyone by relying entirely on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite instead. This led to speculation that the Exynos 2500 would debut with the Galaxy Z Flip 7, but that didn't happen either. Later, reports surfaced suggesting that the Exynos 2500 would power the Galaxy Z Flip FE. Even that claim now appears to be uncertain. According to a new report from The Bell, Samsung is still weighing its options and has yet to make a final decision. The Galaxy Z Flip FE is expected to launch in the fourth quarter of this year, giving Samsung a few more months to decide. However, within the company's mobile division, opinions seem divided. Some executives believe that using the Exynos 2500 could help boost Samsung's semiconductor business, while others worry that it could weaken the phone's competitiveness. Samsung faces strong competition in the foldable smartphone market, particularly from Chinese brands that continue to innovate at a rapid pace. One of the key concerns about Exynos processors is their reputation for weaker performance and efficiency compared to Qualcomm's Snapdragon chips. Many Samsung fans associate Exynos branding with overheating and lower battery efficiency, which could hurt the appeal of the Galaxy Z Flip FE. An insider reportedly told The Bell that while the Exynos 2500 was initially expected, its chances of being used in the device have recently decreased. Despite the uncertainty, Samsung's semiconductor division is determined to prove itself. Samsung Foundry, the company's chip manufacturing arm, has been struggling to secure major clients for its 3nm production process. If the Exynos 2500 performs well, it could help improve Samsung's reputation in the chip industry. Even though the Exynos 2500 might not significantly impact the sales of the Galaxy Z Flip FE, it could play a crucial role in demonstrating that Samsung's chip-making technology is on par with competitors like TSMC. Both Samsung Foundry and System LSI, the team responsible for designing Exynos chips, are pushing hard to have the Exynos 2500 power the Galaxy Z Flip FE. They are also working on the next generation Exynos 2600, aiming to showcase their competitiveness in a high-end processor market. However, Samsung's mobile division has to balance these internal interests with the market's expectations. A poorly received Exynos-powered Galaxy Z Flip FE could damage Samsung's foldable phone lineup, especially at a time when foldables are becoming more mainstream. Samsung has just teased a brand new color for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and looks like another shade of black is on the way. A recent tweet from Samsung India hints at this upcoming edition, stating, "The power will be in your hands soon. Get ready to embrace a whole new shade of style." The teaser images include luxury items in black, such as a diamond ring and an analog watch, further suggesting that Samsung is introducing a third black variant for its flagship phone. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is already available in titanium black and titanium jet black, so the introduction of yet another black shade is an interesting move. While the exact name and details of this new color remain unknown, fans are speculating about whether it will have a unique finish or texture to differentiate it from the existing options. Another big question is whether this new shade will be exclusive to the Indian market or if it will be available globally. Samsung has yet to confirm these details, but the teaser suggests that an official announcement could be coming soon. The Galaxy S25 Ultra was first unveiled on January 22nd and officially launched on February 7th. It brought some notable design improvements, including softer, rounded edges that replaced the sharp corners of its predecessor. However, when it comes to performance and battery life, not much has changed compared to the previous model. The phone features a massive 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a 1440x3120 resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering a sharp and smooth viewing experience. Under the hood, it runs on the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor in the US, paired with 12GB of RAM and storage options ranging from 256GB to 1TB. The camera system remains one of its strongest selling points, featuring a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. For selfies and video calls, the device includes a 12-megapixel front-facing camera housed in a punch hole cutout. As expected, the phone is powered by a 5,000 mAh battery. offering 45-watt wired charging and 15-watt wireless charging. While the battery capacity and charging speeds remain unchanged, Samsung has optimized the software to improve efficiency and extend battery life. For those who have been waiting for a different aesthetic before purchasing the Galaxy S25 Ultra, this new shade of black might be the perfect reason to finally upgrade. Samsung has a history of releasing new color options a few months after launch to keep interest in its flagship devices alive. If the pattern holds, this new black variant could be available soon, possibly in select markets first before a wider release. The biggest question now is whether this new color will be a limited edition release or a permanent addition to the lineup. Samsung has previously introduced exclusive colors through its online store, so there's a possibility that this model could follow a similar strategy. If that's the case, it may not be available in all regions or through every carrier. If you've been holding off on getting the Galaxy S25 Ultra and were hoping for a fresh look, this could be your chance. The Pixel 9a is making waves even before its official launch, and now we have our best look yet at the upcoming mid-range phone. A newly surfaced 44-second video showcases the Pixel 9a in porcelain, giving us a clear view of both the front and back of the device. The video highlights the display, the rear camera bar, and even the camera app in action. If you've been curious about how this phone will look and feel, this footage gives a solid preview. This isn't the first time we're seeing the Pixel 9a earlier. Well-known leaker Even Blast shared images of the phone in a new purple shade that Google is calling Iris. In addition to Iris, the Pixel 9a will be available in 3 other colors: Obsidian, Porcelain, and Peony. Obsidian is a dark color similar to black. Porcelain is a warm white, and Peony is similar to the pink shade seen on the Pixel 9 series. Google is expected to officially announce the Pixel 9a on March 19, with pre-orders beginning the same day. The phone could be released on March 26, giving buyers just a short wait before they get their hands on it. If you're considering a pre-order, there's even more reason to be excited, at least for some markets. A recent rumor suggests that customers in Europe who pre-order the Pixel 9a will receive a free Google TV streamer valued at around $99. However, it's still unclear if a similar pre-order bonus will be available in the US or other regions. As for pricing, the Pixel 9a is expected to start at $499 in the US for the 128GB model, while the 256GB version may cost around $599. These price points place it in direct competition with other popular mid-range devices, making it one of the more affordable Pixel options available. Looking at the hardware, the Pixel 9a will feature a 6.3-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1080 x 2424 pixels and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The device will be powered by Google's 4nm Tensor G4 processor, paired with 8GB of RAM. These specs suggest that the phone should handle everyday tasks and multitasking with ease. The camera setup continues to be a strong point for the Pixel series. The Pixel 9a's rear camera bar will house a 48-megapixel main sensor alongside a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera. For selfies and video calls, a 13-megapixel front-facing punch-hole camera will be available. Google's AI-powered camera software should help deliver excellent photo quality, even in challenging lighting conditions. Battery life is another highlight of the Pixel 9a, as it is expected to come with a generous 5,100 mAh battery. This should provide all-day battery life with ease, and the phone will support fast charging. Additionally, the Pixel 9a is rumored to have an IP68 rating, meaning it will be resistant to dust and water, offering an extra layer of durability. Size-wise, the Pixel 9a is expected to measure 154.7 x 73.3 x 8.9 millimeters, making it slightly thicker than some flagship models like the iPhone 16 to 7.8 millimeters and the Samsung Galaxy S25 7.2 millimeters. While it won't be the thinnest phone on the market, the added thickness could contribute to better battery life and improved durability.